Alright, let me show you guys my little cat girl cosplay I came up with, okay? Oh my god. Honey, honey. I got new cat ears, see? I got little blonde cat ears. Ah, shit! Thank you for subscribing to the YouTubes, guys. Thank you. Oh god, oh god, oh god. What am I supposed to do? I don't got... Knocked off this whole thing. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's not gonna stay on, is it? Shit. It will stay.
Those power units. Just die already.
Oh my god. What is that? Oh. No, you know she's gonna come in here. Oh.
Give me a break.
Oh my god. Oh my god, please. Please. Go on somewhere. No. Where the hell is she going? Oh! Shit! Girl, don't you drop down right in front of me. Don't do it, don't do it. Don't do it, don't do it. Don't do
Why
it.
is it so stiff?
Girl! Girl! Ah! Ah! Oh shit, I missed!
Close one.
Grace, are you kidding me? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on! Come! Grace!
Tower has been successfully restored.
Oh my god!
I should open the hatch. We're getting out of here. Get out of the fucking way.
Are you kidding? Oh my god, Grace! She's literally fun. Oh my god.
Open!
Oh my god. Oh. Ew. Oh my god. Oh, hi, John. You. And thank you for the head pat, honey bunny. Thank you.
Finally.
Is she for real though? Is she really gone? Like for real, for real? Are you kidding me? Oh my god!
Emily! Emily! Emily?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
No!
Leave!
No, that's Emily! It's Emily!
I'm sorry.
So that's good. I know! Who would have thought that we would ever come back here? Seriously. Really long time. What the hell is that? Oh! They brought back the spiders! Oh my god! Dude!
Shit.
Yeah. Oh my god! That is humongous! Are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding? They brought the freaking spiders back! Oh my god! There's no freaking way! I can't believe it! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh god! Jesus! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, there's little spiders! Oh my god! Ah! What? Oh. They're so mean! Are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Guys. They're kind of cute though. The little ones are cute. Guys, are you kidding me? Ah! Jesus Christ! Oh god! Oh my god! The fish, the giant spider! Jesus Christ! Dude, this big ass freaking spider! Leon was here! I literally, I can't. No! Where's it going?
Where are you?
Leon. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It was trying to...
get you out of now. I don't know.
Shit! Shit! Come on! Liam! Oh my god, I don't have any more of this thing!
Hasn't anyone taught you how to play nice?
Shit! Where the hell is it? Where'd it go? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't have any more health. What the hell? Oh. I can't believe there was a giant spider. I'm just gonna have to stay off. Oh my god. Freaking disgusting! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit! This shit! This shit! Ah! Oh god! Ah! I just died by normal zombie! Literally a normal zombie got me. Ah. Okay, I got the chainsaw. Ah! Oh my god. Oh shit! Baby spiders! Oh my god, I forgot about the little spiders. Yeah, I like that this part with Leon's a lot longer. I like that a lot. Excuse me. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Oh shit! Good lord!
That did it.
What in the shit? Alright guys, y'all have a good evening. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye cuties. Oh my god, I got both of the kittens in here. Good night y'all. Thank you. I literally have both the kittens. Oh my goodness. Oh hi Dolly.